In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confiforms in Confluence. If you're new to this, don't worry. We're here to guide you step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's dive right in by starting with your preferred internet browser. Open it and navigate to the search bar. Type in Confluence and hit Enter. Once you arrive at the Confluence homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy and free to sign up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. After you're successfully logged in, head over to the top right corner and find Settings. Click on it and select Manage Apps from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a list of applications that you can use with Confluence. What you want to do next is look at the left side menu and click on Find New Apps. Now in the search bar on this page, type in Confiforms, Data Forms and Workflows for Confluence. This is the app we'll be using to create and manage our forms. Once you find it, you'll see two options, either Free Trial or Buy Now. Choose the option that best suits your needs and click on Accept and Install. Follow any additional prompts to completely install the app. With Confiforms now installed, it's time to create or edit a Confluence page where your form will live. Enter Edit Mode by opening an existing page or creating a new one. To add a Confiforms form, you'll need to insert a new macro. You can do this by typing Shift and the curly brace key. In the search box that appears, type Confiforms form, definition, and select it. Once you've inserted the macro, it's time to name your form and provide it with a suitable title. This makes it easy to identify and manage later on, especially if you plan on using multiple forms. Now that your form is created, what's a form without fields, right? So go ahead and add fields as needed. Common field types include text, text area, file uploads, and date pickers. These elements are highly customizable, so spend some time configuring them to suit your specific needs. Now all that's left is to display your form on the page. For this, you'll need to insert another macro. Look for the Confiforms Registrations Control macro and insert it onto the page. This makes the form visible and functional for users viewing the page. And that's it. Remember, while it seemed like a lot initially, each step is simple and intended to give you flexibility and control. In no time, you'll create comprehensive and interactive forms using Confiforms in Confluence. Good luck!